Eh bakit nyo binibid na yung project? Pangako kayo ng pangako tapos i-out nyo kami. 'Di ba? Senador ako, hindi ako congressman. So kahit Muntinlupa yan, may pakialam ako. Hindi ako pwede magmura dito dahil session hall to. If Secretary Vince was with DOTR now and not with DPWH, may I ask the dear Secretary, Sir, ano mas maganda dyan sa circumferential travel or transportation mode sa buong Laguna Lake? Mas maganda ba dyan ang highway na 6 kilometers, na 6 lanes or 8 lanes? O mas maganda ba dyan train ang ilagay natin?
Medyo sabi ni Vince, kailangan niya raw pag-aralan pa at
Okay.
upuan.
Eh bakit nyo binibid na yung project? Pangako kayo ng pangako tapos i-out nyo kami. 'Di ba? Senador ako, hindi ako congressman. So kahit Muntinlupa yan, may pakialam ako. Ang Laguna Lake, halos walang nagsasalita dyan. Ako nagsasalita dyan. First privilege speech ko yan. I see the Laguna Lake, I see the authority, where's the development?
May I
Yes,
ask
go
a
ahead, ma'am.
question? Yes. The infrastructure project that is being discussed, did it go through the environmental impact assessment? Does it have an ECC
That's a good
already?
question. That's my next
Yeah.
question Dumaan na ba yan
And-
sa, may ECC ba yan?
And does it have the DepDev's TRIP, the 3-year rolling infrastructure program?
According to DPWH, meron pong ECC. Meron silang ECC.
Okay, guys, were you present in the last budget hearing? Was Yusek Sadiin and Ma'am, were you present sa last budget hearing ng I think it was on my birthday kasi I was not here Yung dito, it was October 27 or 28. Yung last budget hearing nung chair ni Chair Win. Nandito ba kayo noon? Budget briefing po dito. Dito sa Senate.
Wala raw silang dalawa.
Hindi, kasi pinasalitaan niyo si Yusek David kung ano sinasabi na ECC na illegal reclamation, flood control na naging reclamation, road dike ng DPWH yon. In-extend ng konti ng DPWH para may linear park, hinahanapan ng ECC. Samantalang yung project nyo, ilan lanes yan? 6 lanes, 8 lanes?
6
Oh,
lanes
hindi
po.
ba obvious kung maglalagay ka ng 2 meters linear park to 3 meters, hindi papasa sa ECC? Pero kapag ka 6 lanes, papasa sa ECC? You know, Sec Vince, reputations are important here And I thank you because nga kinorek mo. Pero hanggang ngayon nangungulit ang PRA at saka DNR Nagbigay pala sila ng ECC for 6 lanes So for 2-3 meters, quick questionin nila. Project ng DPWH Project ng DPWH. Oh, but this is my point to close the issue on that. Sec Vince, can we go to NEDA and check kung anong pinakamabuti dyan? Kasi duda talaga ako sa project na yan Bakit uutangin? Bakit hindi PPP? Tapos kung talagang transportation at saka eco-friendly, bakit hindi train? Or kung combination?
Sabi ko nga pa, pwedeng dalawa.
Hindi nga kasi may fast break si Secretary Bunuan dyan Kaya nagulat ako na binid nyo pa rin. Alam nyo may problema kami dyan Di ba? So anyway, may I request, Mr. Chairman, that we, Korean yan, di ba? Korean, yung utang. Ayokong ayokong mapaya tayo sa lenders natin. Naging DFA secretary ako Naintindihan ko pagka, di ba, Sec Vince, pag nasa Japan tayo, sabi na bawasan yung pondo, sabi yung right of way, hindi natin, nakakahiya ang problema, 3 taong ko to bring up sa inyo, hindi nyo sineseryoso yung aking concerns dyan. Kung nung first 3 months, baka ginagawa na yan Oo lang kayo ng oo, tapos akala nyo hindi ko babantayan. Tapos anong mangyayari, sir? Pag nagawa nyo yung Kalamba hanggang Sukat, susunod na sa Sukat, barangay ko, Bagong Bayan, ipapublish nyo na kaya wala ang Tagig kasi pinatanggal ko? Kayo naman nagsabing wag na ituloy. Sinabi ng LLD, okay eh. Okay kami sa 1 kilometer Vince. Ang gusto namin, hindi tamaan yung property values. Tapos secondly, that road will help as a secondary dike. Kasi yung isa naming subdivision ngayon, subdivision ng Tagiga, hindi akin yon. Because of the rising waters doon, lalong binabaha yung Bay Breeze. Inaaraw-araw din kami doon. Lahat ng kausap ko dyan, nag-retire na kasi panahon pa to ni Secretary Villar. Nung ginawa niyo yung dike, tatlong alignment. Isang napaka-inland, yung present na ginawa niyo, yung pangalawa sa tubig. Ang matitipid lang is less than 5 billion. You chose to do the one in the middle, but you promised us 600 million for polder dikes. Pakihanap sa archives nyo, meron kayong plano niyan for polder dikes. Because 1,400 hectares ay nasa labas ng dike. Yun yung pinapakita ni Secretary Yusek David na hindi niya alam, hindi reclamation yon. Nagla-landfill sa 1,400 hectares that was not what was excluded by the dike. Na inadmit ni Secretary Villar, mag-e-erode yun. Kasi naglagay ka ng dike mataas ang tubig. Di ba? So kung landowner ka, protektahan mo. Ano to, Sequin, titled yung iba dito. Di ba? So, yun lang request ko. Can we have an honest to goodness review of that project?
Senator Alan, ay naintindihan ko yung kalagayan nyo dahil kami rin sa Valenzuela, we're very conscious about the national projects, lalo na kung makaka-apekto sa constituents natin at makaka-cause ng traffic kasi most ng mga cities ma-traffic talaga eh. So, Secretary Vince committed to take a look at this personally.
Thank you.
Sabi niya
Thank
siya
you.
mismo.
Just related to that, but ito hindi problema. Well, problema, pero anong solusyon? So in the 1970s, correct me if I'm wrong, wala pa, pinanganak ko 1970 eh. So nung ginawa yung Napindan Spillway, may pangako na gagawin yung Parañaque Spillway. Ang problema, ginawa yung South Superhighway, umunlad ang Parañaque, nagmahal ang property prices. So nag-decide over generations to. 50 years na mahigit eh. Hindi tinuloy yung Parañaque Spillway. Na-bring up to, during Pinoy's time, there was a proposal. Pag nagkaroon ng road, isama sa road ang reclamation, tapos butasan going to the Pacific River, Pacific Ocean, para ang tubig, kasi kailangan pumasok ang tubig alat eh. Of course, the reforestation din sa mga watershed, no? So that was the second solution. Hindi rin inapprove to ni Sec Babes. And to be fair to him, limited na yung time. Kaya road muna ang ginawa nila. Walang reclamation. The reclamation kasi would pay for the additional cost. So panahon naman ni President Pinoy, kinancel yung kontrata with Belgians for the dredging. Kasi ang dredging daw ay corruption. May dredging na corrupt, may dredging. Di ba it's like sabihin mo evil ang baril eh. Pag pulis ang gumamit ng baril for protection of the people, it's being used for good. If hold-upper or kung yung pulis ang mang-hold up, it's being used for bad. So dredging is a legitimate engineering intervention and our president now is saying that. So my question is DPWH studying any of this? Are you studying either the dredging of Laguna Lake or the Parañaque Spillway or other alternatives? I ask this because flooding in the coastal areas of Laguna Lake, etc. Kasi nung ginawa yan, Mr. Chairman, the LLDA law says anything below 12.5 meters is owned by LLDA. That's a longer story but PD ni ni President Marcos. But of course, you cannot confiscate land. So kung merong claim doon at may title, no? But the point is, we built the dike at 15 point something, 15.6, 15.5, 15.3 meters. And nung unang natapos yung dike niya, nung nagkabagyo na malaki, pumunta ako doon, malayo pa, Senwin, mga 2 meters pa talaga. Actually, lower pa din 2 meters kasi 13 is higher. Ngayon, pumunta kayo, ang taas ng tubig. So if we don't do anything about the lake, not only do we kill the potential, so I'm asking kasi kung wala pa, shouldn't you put money? Si Sec Vince knows this better than I kasi nasa finance team siya noon. Can you put something in the pipeline, whether it's with the Japanese, Koreans, or a study kung anong options talaga na pwede pa? Kasi I don't wanna argue na pwedeng Parañaque Spillway, then Las Piñas and Parañaque says hindi pwede. I don't want to argue na butasan yung bundok, then ayaw ng Rizal or ayaw natin ng reclamation. But doing nothing is waiting for a disaster to happen.
Well, they'll take a look at that. In fact, the Secretary agrees that baka kailangan nga tingnan yung dredging doon kasi
Look,
alam niya rin yung
yeah.
situation doon.
So,
So pag-aaralan
Sec.
nila.
How big again is Clark? Ilan hectares? 27? 35,000?
30,000 hectares.
So as a perspective lang, Mr. Chair, at saka sa mga nanonood pa sa atin at this time, ang Fort Bonifacio is about 500 plus hectares. Ang BGC is 100 hectares, more or less. Ang Clark is 30,000 hectares. Okay? Ang paki-Google yung exacto square kilometers ng Laguna Lake. Ang buong Singapore kasya sa
Laguna Lake.
Laguna Lake.
Yes.
So ganun kaganda at ganun kalaki ng potential niya, and it covers Metro Manila, Laguna, and Rizal. Kung hindi nag-pandemic, yun na ang susunod naming ilalabi kay President Duterte noon na after the cleanup of Boracay, the development of Clark is a development plan for the Laguna Lake. In fact, we put money when I was speaker for, by the way, Sec Vince, let me amend myself, not only trains, a system of trains and ferries. Kasi pwedeng tumulay Di ba? Ang problema nga pababaw ng pababaw yung actually hindi lang yung tubig, yung discussions pababaw ng pababaw din So anyway, LLDA is saying that the Napindan Channel also needs dredging. Is the Napindan Channel part of the Pasig rehabilitation or hindi? Is DPWH ba involved pa with the Pasig rehabilitation? Hindi.
Under DNR po, merong Pasig River Rehabilitation Commission.
Yeah, so I don't know why pinost ng LLDA yon, or maybe they're lobbying or meron. But yun nga, just because the lake is intimately related then with the Pasig River,
Yes.
may I ask Sec Vince, maybe in the cabinet level.
Baka,
I mean, I appreciate, I think Ramon Ang is involved in the dredging and is doing, I think, a good job there with DPWH. But yun nga, in relation with the lake, and it will help Taytay, Pasig, and Taguig. But it will also help the other parts of the Laguna Lake. No?
Correct. Tama po.
Okay, last lang clarification sa flood control. Do we agree in the same definition, Sec Vince, na ang ghost, bayad pero walang project?
Yes. Yes.
Diba?
Yan po ang-
Compared to, for example, wala tayong argument sa okay yung project. Okay yung project means ito yung specification, ito yung bidding, walang luto yung bidding,
Nabayaran
it
siya.
was made perfectly, no? Walang defect, etc. Okay. Substandard, there are two ways to do substandard. Ayos lahat ng bidding, sinabi 1 kilometer, 900 meters or 800 meters lang ginawa, substandard yan. The other one is dinaya yung sa bidding. Actually doon ako na-confuse kasi sinabi ni Engineer Bryce yun na lahat ng project sa district na ay substandard because inayos nila yung program. But yung DUPA is regional ba o provincial?
Per project po ang DUPA. Ang CMPD is per region.
CMPD.
Yes.
So the CMPD for the whole Bulacan is the same, di ba?
Per the whole region. The
Yeah,
whole region
for,
po.
for the whole
three.
region 3
Yeah.
is the same.
Yeah. Per district.
No,
per
sabi nyo DUPA, which one is district, which one is ano? Yeah, sorry.
Ayan.
Ni-remind lang ako, for those watching us, DUPA is
Detailed unit price,
price
analysis.
analysis. Okay. And then yung
CMPD is cost of construction materials price data.
Yes. So regional yung CMDP kasi let's say if you're an
CMPD.
island, Romblon, Mindoro, baka mas mahal yung semento doon.
Correct. Yes. May,
Diba?
land,
But-
may logistics.
But kung katulad nun, yung for Bulacan, Pampanga, etc., it's the same, di ba?
Ang CMPD pala, it's issued per region pero may values din per district. No? So
Yeah, but ibig
nag-granular
sabihin,
siya.
how many congressional districts sa Bulacan?
Ang Bulacan.
Iba.
This is
Engineering
district
Engineering
engineering
districts.
districts. Engineering districts.
Yes, how many?
3 engineering
Oh.
districts.
And more or less, all 3 will use the same CMDP, di ba? Kasi it's one province.
Yes.
Oh, so kung tama yung sinabi ni Engineer Bryce na lahat nung sa kanya substandard, are we saying for all 3 districts substandard? And pareho pricing unit nila eh. No, I agree with you. I heard what you said, implementation. Yun yung sa Ghost. May testimony dito si Bryce na sabi niya, lahat ng projects namin, inayos namin yung pricing. So lahat yan substandard. Galit at yun, naano ako doon kasi lalo pag sinabi mo sa estudyante, school building, substandard, paano kung gumiba yun? Tulay, substandard, paano kung gumiba? That's why I'm trying to define terms ngayon kasi I think iniiba niya yung definition ng substandard. Ang alam kong substandard, di ba, dapat ang bakal mo ay, di ba, ganyan kakapal, nilagay mo, ganito kakapal. So, tama si Sec Vince, it's the implementation. But yung sinabi kasi niya, inayos kasi namin presyo. I'm trying to understand that. Or inayos niya yung program.
Ang ginagawa ho nila, binobloat ho nila yung design, yung quantities. For example, kung 10 bakal, ginagawa nilang 20, pero ang ginagawa nila 10 lang.
Yeah, but anyway, thank you for that. Let's continue to define. 2 things, Sec Vince, kasi galit na ang tao eh. So kung ang intention lang natin to make them activists, to demand change, it's there. But if we're going to make people depressed, and if we're going to, if people are saying walang pag-asa ang Pilipinas, we're working against ourselves, di ba? House divided will fall. Of course, kung may isang magnanakaw sa bahay, di ba, kick him out, ikulong mo. Di ba? Pero kung, halimbawa, clarification ha. So, kanina nagtanong si Sen Marcoleta, ang sagot mo, you're verifying all the projects, but so far you've verified 30 na ghost, na sure na ghost?
Yeah, mga 30.
30, di ba? 30 in Bulacan.
In Bulacan.
And then
7 ang confirmed ghost.
second ang confirmed ghost.
7.
7. Ilan ang confirmed ghost sa buong Pilipinas?
Yun po ang yun po ang ongoing na
Yeah, but ilan as of
validation.
today?
420.
as of today.
Okay, I'll go back just both for the DPWH and for those listening to us. Chairman, if I may lang, thank you
Yes,
for
go ahead.
being really patient with me. No? Ang ghost, walang nagawa, bayad na. Huwag natin iibahin yung definition kasi magkakagulo tayo eh. So ang ghost, di ba? Binili ko tong ballpen na to, bayad na, walang binigay na ballpen. Yun ang ghost. Binili ko tong ballpen na to, ang binigay sa akin yung wala nang laman, substandard yon. Di ba? O binigay sa akin walang takip, incomplete, 'di ba? Whatever. 'Di ba? Na anomalya pa rin, na corrupt pa rin, pero ibang-iba yung ghost. Yung ghost wala. So, I'm seeing in the internet people say, isipin nyo sa 3 taon pa lang, or sinasama yung 3 taon ni Duterte, sa 6 na taon, 300 billion, 400 billion, 700 billion. Okay, even if we assume 300 billion yung this year, ang daming na-hold this year, di ba? Parang ang alam ko, more than 100 billion hindi na-release this year. I'm not that sure. No, I won't go there muna. Ang ibig ko sabihin lang, malayo naman siguro sabihin na may 10 billion, 20 billion, 30 billion ghost. Tapos pag sinabi mo yung 93 billion.
93.
So, but you get my point, Sec Vince, di ba? If you say 300 billion, hindi na-release yung 93, so 207. If you say 50 billion doon ghost, hindi ako pwede magmura dito dahil session hall to. Pero still, di ba? Tsaka talagang grabe, I can't say it, but you know what, di ba? But malayo naman yun pag sinabi yung buong 300 billion ghost at ninakaw. So we owe it to the people to be truthful. So I'm not saying that yung 250, walang ninakaw doon. Kasi if you get 20% or 30%, the 30% of the 150, that's still another 50, 100 yung ninakaw. But ang point ko, let's be precise. Not only for the cases, kasi matuthrow out yung case eh. Pag sinabi mong ghost, present nung contractor na, sir, eto yung ginawa namin. O kaya present nung contractor, sir, eto na yung unang hollow block. Paano naging ghost, sir? Hindi pa kami bayad. Di ba? So, let's be clear about what is ghost. If you look, Sec Vince, at all the news, they use the number 400 something. Even the ICI, ginagamit nila 400. So, lagay nila suspected. No, but ang problema nga, tumatanim sa tao na 400 ang ghost eh. I don't mind if it's true. And I don't mind if it's 800 eh. Mark my words tonight ha. If we keep using 400, then we find out it's 100. The public will suspect pinagtakpan natin yung 300. Di ba? Kaya anong rule natin? Di ba? Don't overpromise. Over-deliver. Under-promise, over-deliver. Di ba? So, sinabi 8,000 to, we suspect, whatever, we're looking, etc. Di ba? So, I would assume it's more than 100. Because ang sabi nila sa Bulacan alone, 40 to 100. No? And I'll stop there. But maybe, Sec Vince, aside from a same definition with the DOJ, Ombudsman, DPWH, sa kayo nyo ko sinasabi kasi kayo ang technical eh, kayo ang contractor eh, di ba? So pag sinabi kong bill of materials at sinabi ko sa DOJ, Ombudsman, ICI, hindi sila yung technical. They're technical people there, like Secretary Babe Singson, he was secretary, but kayo yung ano eh, di ba? So, for example, no, I've known of some projects I helped before, let's say state universities, sasabihin nila dito ilalagay yung building, but then before i-construct, malalaman nila after the soil test or, sir, maingay pala dyan kung dorm, lipat natin dito. Hindi ghost yun. Nilipat. Diba? Except kung sasabihin nyo kasi yung unang project dito nilagay nila sa GAA dito, tapos tinakip nila dito. Oh, pero kung yung takip, edi ang nag-ghost nun yung unang gumawa na nakasingil na. Hindi yung pangalawa. Diba? So we have to be fair with everyone here. So my proposal, Sec Vince, is that we define the terms and you have a counter. We're looking at 8,000 projects. We've looked at 407 is ganyan. Whether on your website, kay Presidente, etc. Para whether media or maraming naninira sa gobyerno. Maraming nanglilito dito. Marami din. So, I don't want to take a position for or against anyone. But mas klaro yung facts, better yung debate. Diba? So the last point I wanted to make on that, I suggested last briefing that you ask all the district engineers or together with the LGUs, give them a list of the projects, just let them take a picture. Kasi to be fair tinignan nyo na yung Ilocos, wala kayong nakita. Oh, sorry, I'll make it very clear. I stop at wala kayong nakitang ghost. Di ba? Can, tama, no? Wala, no? So far.
Going pero wala pa.
Ongoing, pero may report, di ba, na so far wala.
Yeah.
So-
But ongoing raw, but so far wala naman
Yeah, okay.
nakikitang
Yun
ghost.
nga, in the same way that I want to be fair to the Dutertes in Davao, I want to be fair to the Marcoses in the Ilocos, and I want you to be fair to the Cayetanos in Taguig, di ba? And the way to do that nga is one, kuna na lahat, di ba? Kasi yung iba I think ridiculous din naman yung iba na sinasabing humahataw ngayon. Kasi kung bayad ka na for the whole, hindi mo naman kayang gawin ng 1, 2, 3 buwan yun di ba? So obviously, sexa din, di ba? Obviously, kung ghost, ngayon mo palang ginagawa, nakita mo 20%, may picture ka 20%, ghost pa rin yun. Ngayon mo lang ginagawa, bayad ka na ng 100% di ba? So obvious naman yon. But the longer period na wala kayong database, mas magsususpetsa ang mga tao. I'll give you an example. If Sekwin and I were mortal enemies and we were from the same province or the same municipality, city, and he was congressman, I was mayor, naghahanap na ako kung may ghost siya, naghahanap na siya sa akin kung may ghost. Ang problema kung hindi kami honest, mag-iimbento kami. So lalong nakakagulo, di ba? Walang problema kung kukunan ko lahat ng project niya, siya mayor, kinunan ko lahat. O, edi alam ko kung may ghost, kinunan niya lahat sa akin. Walang problema kung ganun Yun nga ang problema. The people trust a few people. You're blessed, Vince, because they trust you. But the trust can run out di ba? Okay, last question on the flood control. What is the present theory ngayon ng gobyerno? What's the criminal conspiracy? Kasi in every major criminal conspiracy, there is a theory. A case theory. Wala na, no? Wala na tayo. We're okay.
Sa buong mga department orders, hindi mo makakata.
Sige.
Working theory is merong intention may intention na gumawa ng ghost project at binayaran po yung contractor or yung mga taong nasa loob ng DPWH na gumawa ng ghost project.
Yeah. It's almost 2 a.m. So, and you've been very patient with me. And I know it's a complex thing, but can I give my 2 cents just because of 2 reasons? One, hindi pwedeng walang theory. Hindi pwedeng walang working theory, case theory. 2, so far ang narinig ko pa lang sa gobyerno ay si President Marcos at si Vince Dizon na nagsabing, be patient, gawin ng tama para sigurado yung kaso. Tama? I mean, there might be 1 or 2 more. Pasensya na po kayo, secretaries, whoever, baka may nagsabing 2 or 3 more, but you're in the minority. Everyone else, including the ICI, na ICC tuloy ako, but ICI, pag maingay, file na natin. Ang problema, paano pag nag-iba theory mo? So kasi iba yung theory na, alam nyo lahat sila corrupt, nagkasabay-sabay lang. Yung theory, may corrupt na engineer, district engineer, kinausap yung USEC kinausap to. Iba din yung theory na, meron sa gobyernong na to, minapya siya. Iba din yung alam ng senador na ghost sa hindi alam ng senador. Alam ng congressman na ghost na hindi. And the problem is, pag nag-iba theory mo, iba yung fa-file mo. So ang nangyayari, as people come out, di ba, so tinanong kanina ni Senator Cheese, bakit kinasuhan yung isang high-level official, si Speaker Martin? I didn't catch the whole answer, no? But we were talking about Gutesa. So yun ang problema. everyone is saying, pag hindi ka under oath, walang value yon. Tama yung mga nagsabing walang probative value. Kasi probative value is the value in court of how true and how efficient, how credible the evidence is. But when you say no value, may value. Lahat ng magsalita, may value. Bakit? It's a lead. So kung magsalita si Engineer Bryce, assistant, at mali, nililigaw tayo. Kung tama, it's a good lead, sundan mo. Pag salita si Zaldico, it's a lead. May value siya. I'm not saying it's true. And most people who will talk will have half-truths. Jokes and accusation have to be half-true. A joke, especially if it's sarcasm, na walang half-truth, di ba? So pag sinabi nilang the late Alang Cayetano, kasi parati akong late, kaya nakakatawa kasi talagang nalilate ako. Kung hindi ako nalilate, hindi nakakatawa, di ba? Kasi parang ininsulto niyo ako, napapatayin niyo na ako, bakit na-late Alang Cayetano? Di ba? Sorry, si Senwin always laughs at my joke eh. Kaya si Senwin at si
Ako lang
Patty,
talaga tumatawa. Joke yun.
kahit buta yung mga senador, Senwin, kaya malakas ka sa akin eh. So, ganun din sa accusations eh. Half-truths get people steered. And ang problema, nung araw may referee. There are advocates, political analysts, etc. Ngayon, panay influencer eh. Dean ng law school, alam niyang mali eh. Pero dahil galit siya doon o dito siya sa panig, imamali nila. So ngayon, pag sinabing isa, so don't get me wrong ha, tama yung iba nagsalita dito na hindi under oath, walang probative value. Pero yung iba sa internet, sa vlog, sa news, walang value yun. Oh, hindi walang value, lead yun eh. Major player yun eh. Di ba? So ngayon, kung hindi ako under oath, pero sabihin ko sa inyo, alam niyo kailan nag-umpisa yan? Nag-umpisa yan ganito. Kasi yung mga projects na yan, inutang. Pero eto kasi nag-a-advance. O walang value yon? Hindi ba mabubuo nyo yung theory kung maririnig nyo yung ganon? Oh, ngayon, what if it's hearsay? What is hearsay? Hindi ako, it's not my personal knowledge na nangutang at nag-advance. Pero it's not hearsay if I hear it from someone. It's hearsay. So if they say Zaldi nag-advance, sinabi kay A, kausap ko si A. It's hearsay as to Zaldi. But it's not hearsay as to Alan and A. So pag sinabi ni A sa akin, pare, kaya nagkaganyan yan. Kasi si ganito, nag-advance. Yan, 15. Ang problema, naging 20. Kasi ang ginawa nila, tinanggalan nila lahat ng district, tapos binenta nila yung project. And nagkaroon ng idea to ngayon district engineer. Kung ganyan din lang kalaki, wag na natin gawin yung project. So that's what I meant, na dapat may theory at dapat may value. So I'll stop here and medyo mahaba na yung sinabi ko, but I hope, Sec Vince, nakatulong to. Maybe not in the short term, but in the long term, 2 years from now, pinag-uusapan natin dalawa. Sinong nakulong? At kung tama, di ba? Kung tama yung mga nakulong na pagbintangan, if justice was done and accountability, but 2, may nagawa ba DPWH? So kung walang napakulong, lahat tayo, hindi maniniwala sa atin ng tao. Mawawalan kumpiyansa. Pero kung may nakulong, pero yung mga project na dapat natin ginawa, hindi natin ginawa. Di ba? So, can I have that as a last question? Dun sa lahat ng reform na sinasabi mo, and I'm for it, yung kalahati, etc., magbibid ba yung mga contractor? So far ba, may indication kayo na, no?
Yeah, so far naman ay nagbibid
No, so
naman.
that's good news.
Yeah.
That's good news, no? Kasi I just putting myself in the place, di ba, na maliit ang ang 8 to 12% na 8 to 10 Kasi if you put it in bonds, wala kang problema. Magkano naman ngayon bonds sa Sequin? Mga 8?
Walang mga 3, 4.
Hindi, yung mga long term, parang 6 to...
For T-bills,
T-bills,
is about
T-bills.
3/4. Yeah, government.
O, T-bills, mga
Government.
8%.
Yeah. I think pag private siguro, pag private.
Private.
Private 6, 7. Yeah.
O sige, lagay mo na sa 6%, 6%, nandiyan pera mo, walang problema. So sa 8%, okay yan kung yung project at makakasingil ka in 6 months to 12 months. Pero yung 8%, kung 2 years yung project mo, lugi ka pa sa cost of money mo o sa opportunity cost. Di ba? So ang point ko doon, Kung walang manghihingi ngayon sa contractor, no problem. Pero kung manghihingi from a possible barangay captain na ayaw pa umpisahan yung project to the congressman or to a secretary to a senator, kung totoong 10% na lang kita mo, hiningan ka pa ng 5%, wala nang gagawa. Di ba? So again, Sec Vince, I'm for it. I'm for kung tanggalin lahat ng SOP, tanggalin lahat ng kita, di ba? But having said that, to do that, there are certain things we have to do. It's most unpopular now, but I'll say it. It's most unpopular now. Pag nilinis nyo yung DPWH, dapat taasan mo sweldo ng mga engineers, architects, sa mga tao. Kasi kung hindi, magpa-private lahat yan. Di ba? I mean, yung walang pamilya siguro, talagang mahal na mahal lang yung bayan, pero marami tayong nurse, mahal nila ang bayan, pero nasa abroad. So anyway, Sequin, thank you very much for this opportunity. I hope I'm
Maraming
able
salamat,
to contribute.
Senator Alan. So always say,
Sen. JV, thank you.
maraming salamat po, Sen. Alan. Marami kaming natututo sa inyo every time you interpolate, and I'm sure the department is
For the
listening.
record, ngayon lang naman ako nagtagal. Sa
Yes, yes.
limang
But
araw.
marami kaming natututunan.